Darjeeling MP Raju Singh Bista on Sunday asserted that the BJP still had support of alliances like the Gorkha National Liberation Front and the Communist Party of Revolutionary Marxists and expressed confidence in winning next year's assembly election. The strength of the BJP has increased in the region but is invisible and cannot be seen. We have our alliance parties like the CPRM and the GNLF with us, and we will fight the elections and win. I do not wish anything bad for Bimal Gurung or his party, but I do not want Mamata Banerjee as the Bengal CM in 2021, Vista said. He also said people who would not vote for the Trinamool, which was evident in 2019, where people had cast vote against them. The BJP is not a weak party. Our party having governments in most of the states and have more than 300 MPs in the center. But we have always wanted that regional parties and the regional aspirations should remain, which we have encouraged, he said. Speaking on the party's commitments to the Hills people, he said, we had promised two things, one of which was tribal status for 11 Gorkha communities for which work is going on, with the other being a permanent political solution. In the hills and Terai, the demand of Gorkhaland is a 100 years old demand and a constitutional one. We have stood with Gorkhas and will remain to do so. He promised we are committed towards fulfilling what is there in our manifesto. I still have about 3.5 years of term left. There is still lots of time. I want such a solution for this area that the dreams of the Gorkhas are fulfilled. Our demands for identity, security of language, along with safeguard of culture and tradition should be all engulfed by this situation, Vista said. Darjeeling MP also stressed on the point that the people should understand that the solution for their demand can be only achieved through the parliament at the center.